Like it's Tramway, really different from the cab bit like that. Just like the front middle bit like that. Because no one used to be seen like them. Yeah. But when the newest trams on the fleet, 78 was, I think, I can't say whereabouts it could be, but it's something to do with Liverpool because it said boat to Liverpool. But yeah, I haven't read everything yet, but what's that issue like? But yeah, all green in that. That's fun inside, not climbed in, so just keeping off at the tram. Nice controls inside on them. But yeah, nice and green. It might need like a bit of touching, painting like a bit, or polish or something. But yeah, not bad for how it is. Just needs probably like a bit of TLC in that, probably, that's what I can see, but there could be all sorts of problems with trams, and that's so yeah, sorry for the noise I went off. They could easily snap if that got bumped. But there's no tram, so I'm going to go and find that tram.